Hey guys, I'm Deanda, and today I'm going to be showing you a juicing recipe that is filled with vitamin C and other antioxidants that are super important for boosting your immune system. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely appreciate it. Here on my channel, I make videos surrounding teaching, motherhood, lifestyle, and I dabble in DIYs. By the way, in case you didn't know, I am a second grade teacher, and this is about the time of the school year when I typically start doing extra little things to support my immune system and make sure that I'm ready to go when I head back to the classroom in August. And so I'll make sure that I'm taking good multivitamins. I'll start juicing more than usual during the summer. And I like to take a liquid supplement named Red. My son loves that as well. That's also filled with a lot of antioxidants. It has a very high ORAC value. And then I start trying to make sure that I'm getting enough rest at night, like getting enough sleep, because in our sleep is a time when our body repairs and restores itself. And when you're well rested, you're just better able to fight things off. And so now that all that is out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the recipe. So I am going to be making some juice today. I have my vegetables. We're going to do wheatgrass, carrots, turmeric, lemon, orange, and an apple. First, I'm just going to prep everything. We'll give our carrots a chop by cutting off the ends. I have already washed everything yesterday, and I do have a video on how to wash your produce using just a few simple products, and so I will link that up above. Oh man, this thing just broke. My son is awake from his nap now. It is time to get back to juicing. And what I do is I put a little bag, a produce bag from the grocery store inside of this can, and that makes cleanup quite a bit easier because there's so many different parts to clean when you're working with a juicer. I have a Rebel juice fountain, and there are two different settings. So you can either go up for the low setting, which is for softer fruits and vegetables, and then you press the lever down for high for the harder fruits and vegetables. So everything I have here looks like I'm going to be using the high setting. So let's talk about why this juice is so amazing. Like I said before, it's packed with tons of antioxidants, and those are the good guys. They're the molecules that fight free radicals in your body. Free radicals are not the business, okay? They are the things that can cause harm if the levels of the free radicals become too high in your body. They're linked to things like diabetes, heart disease, cancer. You just don't want them. So the antioxidants fight off the free radicals, and all the fruits and vegetables in this juice are packed with the antioxidant vitamin C. So the carrots, lemon, oranges, wheatgrass all have a lot of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. The turmeric does not have vitamin C, but it actually dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. So this is a really great immune boosting juice, perfect for back to school. Let's try again. Now we got a little bit of green from the wheatgrass. I have one piece of lemon left, so I'm gonna put more wheatgrass in and put the lemon on top of it. Do a little more turmeric. So there it is. Let's pour it into just a little glass, a little shot glass. Let's give it a taste. Hopefully the oranges and the lemon are able to counteract the turmeric and wheatgrass, although there was not a whole lot of wheatgrass or turmeric. Guys, this is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Let me make a little bit for my husband and my son for them to try because this is so good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're going to try this out or what substitutes you might make. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.